Hey guys, so we're in here replacing these little terrible plastic knobby things. It just goes into this socket and holds it, but they're old. So when you do this, you actually just take a finger and open it. So anything pushing on it, like a old pirate hat, will in fact just open it up and fall into its unexpecting victim. So now we're going to fix that with some of these. I can do this with one hand. Go like this, and as you can see, they're pretty hard to put together. So that means they'll be harder to take apart. This is a one-take show. Let's see. There we go. Okay. And that's how they go together. Hook goes in, spring goes in, and then that took some significant force, so we're going to replace that. Hold on, let me grab these. I'm an old man. Okay. Grab this. I'm going to put these in, and I'll be back with the end result. Okay, progress so far. I've removed the old ones, which were just that ball and socket, and now I have to grab it, pull it. Now it's that hook. Goes right into receptacle, and bam. Very nice. And then you just have to pull. Instead of that one finger. Can't really get it. There you go. But it works nicely. Same with this one. Cool. So those are 3 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to go. So basically I'm doing all the top ones so that these don't randomly open while I'm driving, and we don't have to worry about that. That'll be one less thing to worry about. Yeah. It's clean, I swear. Okay. So, this is totally the same day, and I didn't completely forget to shoot this. Anyways, this is done. These work great. I'll provide a link to these guys down below. It's not an affiliate link, so don't worry. I'm not making money off of this crud. But they work nice, and they stay. So, pretty cool. All of them have it now, so they're all the same pull length, and got a little force behind them to move them out. And these guys actually work nicely. In America. Fuck yeah.